Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your PowerPoint slides pop with something more dynamic than flat images and text, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you how to work with 3D shapes in PowerPoint step by step so you can give your presentations a modern, professional edge. Working with 3D shapes can completely transform the way your audience experiences your slides. It's not just about visuals, it's about creating movement, depth, and storytelling that feels alive. So let's get started. First, open up PowerPoint on your computer. You can use a brand new slide deck or an existing presentation that you'd like to enhance. Once your file is open, head over to the Insert tab on the top menu bar. Here, you'll see a range of options, from text boxes and images to charts. What we're looking for is the 3D models option. Click on it and you'll open up a whole new creative world. PowerPoint comes with a built-in library of 3D models, everything from simple geometric shapes to detailed objects like animals, technology, and symbols. Take a moment to browse through the categories and pick something that fits your theme or message. Once you find the perfect 3D model, just hit insert. PowerPoint may take a few seconds to download and load the model onto your slide. Don't worry, that's normal. Now the fun part begins. You can grab and move your 3D object just like any other element. But the real magic happens when you start rotating it. Simply click and drag the circular 3D handle in the center of your model. This lets you adjust the viewing angle freely, showing off your object from any side or perspective. If you prefer a quick setup, use the 3D model views feature in the ribbon. It gives you preset angles and orientations that instantly make your shape look polished and intentional. And here's a pro tip. Try combining animations with your 3D model. Use the morph, transition, or 3D animation effects like turntable or swing to create smooth, eye-catching motion between slides. This is a simple way to make your presentation feel cinematic and professional without spending hours designing. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily add 3D shapes to your PowerPoint slides, rotate and animate them, and completely change the visual impact of your presentation. So next time you're designing a slide deck, think beyond flat images. 3D models let you tell stories in a more dynamic, immersive way that keeps your audience hooked. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of my future PowerPoint tips and creative hacks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.